Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone stuck charging at 80%. You might notice you're trying to charge, but it doesn't go past 80%. This is how you fix it. So if you're on iOS 26, this is what you're going to do, and I'm going to show you on iOS 18 as well in a bit. So first thing, on iOS 26, you're going to go to your setting and then look for battery. Now in the battery section here, you're going to go down to charging. So you're going to click on charging. And this is where there's a charge limit set. So by default, what happens is the iPhones, by design, their charge limit is at 80%, meaning your phone will seem to start charging, but it's just actually limiting how much charge a phone is so that it could preserve the battery life over time, basically expanding your battery life. You can change this to 100%. As you can see here, keeping your charge limit below 100% preserves your battery longer. However, if you decide that you don't really care about that, you can do that and set it at 100% for either till tomorrow as a temporary, or you can set it at 100% permanently. Keep in mind, with this on over time, it's going to actually damage your battery. Now, also the other thing is here, as you can see here, when the charging limit is set 100%, allow iPhone to wait to finish charging past 80% until the time you need to. So to optimize battery charging, you might need to turn that off as well completely. That way you can go past the charge of 80%. So that's what you're going to do on iOS 26. Set it at 100%, turn off optimize. That way it will charge to 100%. Over time, you may not want to do that. I would recommend leaving it at 80 and keeping it as is, but it's up to your choice. Now, if you're on iOS 18, it's going to be a little different here. So I have a phone on iOS 18. If you're still on iOS 18, you need to do is go into your setting, and then same thing, battery. And from battery, this time we're going to go to battery health and charging. And right here where we have that optimized battery charging, as you can see here, it does the same thing as well, where after 80%, it'll basically slow it down. So we need to turn off either temporary for tomorrow, or you can turn it out completely. This way, each time you charge, it will not get stuck on 80% anymore. So that's how you would do it. I hope this video was helpful, so please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. See you guys next time.